I'm Dara Caponigro, and I'm the creative director of Schumacher, and we're here to talk about the basics of pillows. So this is a knife edge pillow. It's the simplest kind of pillow that you can have. And basically, it has no detailing whatsoever. The fabric is just sewn together. The same fabric that makes up the pillow is just stitched on the seams. And it's a more relaxed kind of pillow. So it's definitely more laid back, more casual, because it doesn't have any fancy detailing. One of the reasons we chose a knife edge in this case is because this fabric is very, very thick. And so it's difficult to create a welt with a thick fabric. This fabric is also very thick, and it has a bohemian vibe. So a knife edge just felt like the right treatment for it. Nothing too fussy, very simple, and very cool. Now we're going to talk about a second way to finish pillows. It's also a basic, and it's called welting. So basically there are two kinds of welts. There's a self-welt, and then there's a contrasting welt. And basically a welt is just this little piping that goes around the outside of the pillow. So in this case, this is a beautiful cut velvet, and what we've done is we've taken the exact same fabric and we've turned it into a welt. So you have a very finished look using all the same fabric. Another way to do it is with a contrasting welt. So in this example, this cute little bunny fabric, we took a little check, which is a completely different fabric, turned it into a welt to complement the little blue and white bunny. A third type of finishing treatment for pillows called a cord. Cords are ready-made, and you can buy them at fabric stores or you can buy them online, and they're kind of a fancier version of welts. And you can get them in all sorts of colors and all sorts of sizes. What it does is it brings out something special about the pillows. So in this particular case, this is a gorgeous leopard fabric pillow, black and white, and what we wanted to do was accentuate the black. So we took a little black cord and we trimmed the outside of the pillow, and I think it's super glamorous. So this is another example of using a microcord. So this is this adorable yellow print, and we picked up on the tiny bits of black in it with a black microcord, and the microcord is just perfect for this size pillow. You know, it's a tiny pillow with a tiny cord, just makes perfect sense. So one of the things I love to do on all pillows is install a zipper, and you want it to be as hidden as possible, and you run it along the bottom of the pillow. But what this allows you to do is when you get a stain on the pillow, you can send it to the dry cleaner or throw it in the wash. So there you have it, pillow basics.